Hi there, I'm Dr. Scott the paleontologist, and this is Quetzalcoatlus.
Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus.
Quetzalcoatlus and Pteranodon belong to a family of flying reptiles called pterosaurs.
Pterosaurs.
That means they had a lot in common, like big heads and long, narrow wings. But there was one important difference. Quetzalcoatlus was huge. The wingspan of Pteranodon, the distance from one wingtip to the other, was about 20 feet. But Quetzalcoatlus had a wingspan of about 40 feet. That's bigger than a small airplane. In fact, Quetzalcoatlus is one of the biggest flying animals ever. With such long, narrow wings, both Quetzalcoatlus and Pteranodon probably spent a lot of time soaring, flying for long distances without flapping their wings. A great example of an animal alive today that likes to soar is a bird known as the albatross. It can glide for a long time without using much energy, a lot like Quetzalcoatlus. Yes, they were amazing animals with their huge wings. Hey, let's see your wings. Nice soaring. Okay, keep watching for more dinosaur discoveries.